In the parlance of education or educational psychology is it teaches us to understand our personality, the nature, the characteristics, the strengths, the weakness of individuals' characteristics. Characteristics differ from characters. Characters actually are part of the features or elements of a person's characteristics. Okay, so I'll be discussing in a form of pre-class method the theory on personality crisis that was forerun by Erickson. Actually, the theory is known as psychosocial development, and that personality crisis is the result, or when there is an unbalanced way of nurturing properly with care the needs that are supposed to be given to a child, then there will be effects to be developed, which in turn become a personality crisis of the child. So that is why I introduced yesterday that personality crisis is Erickson's theory that is attached to psychosocial development. Okay, in this theory there are eight stages, and we all know and understand what are these stages. In other words, each child will go through the process of different stages, and these are 8 in number, in accordance to the maturity as well as the responsibilities that a child should be reared and nurtured in every age he or she attains. Okay, so Erickson believed that personality develops all in our life. So there should be a balanced way of fulfilling those needs in the right side and the needs in the left side. Okay, first stage is the known as infancy. Infancy, all of you know this one. This is the age when a child is newly born, having the age of 0 to 1 year old. Now, in this stage, the possible crisis that would arise to a child that is overly pampered or cared or well cared versus that baby who attains a series of negligence from the parent or parents. So the personality crisis is known as the trust versus mistrust. Okay. Now you may ask me, how could that be? How could that baby develop such kind of trust versus mistrust crisis in him?